Ways that farmers can protect their crops. Farmers, rotate your crops. It's not just about soil health, it's a strategic move against pests. Different crops mean different pests, and changing things up can break the pest cycle. Plus, it's a bonus for managing diseases and boosting soil fertility. Next up, let's talk insurance. With weather going wild, crop insurance isn't just nice to have, it's essential. It's the financial safety net that lets you bounce back after droughts, floods, or hail. So find a plan that fits your farm's unique risks. Keep your eyes on the skies. Weather forecasts are your secret weapon. They help you decide when to plant and when to harvest. With today's tech, from apps to high-tech gear, you can outsmart the weather and shield your crops from harm. Water wisely, farmers. Overdoing it can harm more than help. Efficient irrigation, like drip or sprinkler systems, targets roots and cuts down on waste. Pair them with soil moisture sensors, and you've got a smart, water-saving setup that keeps crops quenched at the right time.